Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Imovie and loading your project. Pick the timeline that contains the clip you want to trim. Once done, zoom the timeline in for accuracy, for example, half or closer, so frames are easier to see. Make sure the clip is selected. You'll see a yellow border and handles. You're setting up precision, not just cutting. That's why we zoom and select first. This prevents accidental edits elsewhere and speeds the next steps. Now open the clip trimmer. Right-click the selected clip and choose Clip Trimmer, or press Shift+T to speed things up. In the trimmer, drag the start and end handles to define your in and out points. Play back to confirm timing. If you need finer control, use the left and right arrow keys to move frame by frame. Once you're happy, close the trimmer to apply changes. This method keeps your edits non-destructive and easy to tweak later. Finish by closing the clip trimmer to apply your edits, then scrub the timeline to confirm transitions and audio remain in sync. If something looks off, use Undo Command+Z immediately or replace the clip with the original to start over. Make sure to reopen the trimmer and nudge handles by one frame if you see a jump. Small adjustments solve most timing issues. Finally, save your project. That preserves the clean trim and keeps your edits reversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.